Hello children, how are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. Children, my name is Usha Kumar. I am your maths teacher. Today I will teach you a new topic. Chapter 7, Division. First, we will study concept and properties of division. Second, multiplication and division facts. Third, division of 2 and 3 digit numbers by a 1-digit number. Children, first of all, we will study concept of division. The division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. Division is another name for repeated subtraction. The sign of division is like this. See here, children. The division is an operation inverse of multiplication. If 3 groups of 4 make 12 in multiplication, 12 divided into 3 equal groups give 4 in each group in division. The main goal of the division is to see how many equal groups can be formed. Children, now we will study about division. Division means equal sharing or equal distribution of things or equal grouping of a given quantity. The another name of division is repeated subtraction. See, for example, there are 12 balls and 3 bowls. We will put 12 balls into 3 equal sized bowls. Children, see here. Here are 12 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 balls are there and we have 3 bowls. 1, 2, 3. And we are putting 4 balls in each bowl. See here, bowl number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls in first bowl. See, in second bowl, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls are there. In third bowl, we have 4 balls again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let us do some activity. We will do some activity. Children, see here. I have 12 balls and I have 3 bowls. 1, 2, 3. And I will put 4 balls in this bowl. Bowl number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls are there in this bowl. Bowl number 1. Now see, in this second bowl, we will put 4 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4. In second bowl also we have 4 balls. Now see this third bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have put 4 balls in the third bowl, children. Now see here, in each bowl we can put 4 balls. Means 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. We have 3 bowls and in each bowl we have put 4 balls. See here. In the first step, we have 4 balls and we have put 4 balls in first bowl. Remaining balls are 8. In the second step, we have put 4 balls in the second bowl. This is the second step and remaining balls are 4. In third step, we have put 4 balls in the third bowl. And now all the balls are finished. We have 0 ball. Okay, now we can understand that division means equal distribution of things. Now children, we will see what is quotient, what is divisor and dividend in a division sum. This is, in this 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Here 12 is dividend, 3 is divisor and 4 is quotient. In 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Dividend is 12, divisor is 3 and quotient is 4. In a division sum, the number to be divided is called dividend. The number by which we divide is called a divisor. And the answer to a division problem is called the quotient. See, this is the answer of a division sum or problem. 4 is quotient, 3 is divisor and 12 is dividend. Children, now we will study about properties of division. Number 1. When a number is divided by 1, we get the same number. 3 divided by 1 means all 3 things will be given to one person. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Children, I will give you one example. See here. Here I have 3 Dairy Milk chocolates. This is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. I have 3 chocolates. What I will do? I will give all these 3 chocolates to a person. Okay, one person. I will take all these 3 chocolates. 1, 2 and 3. What does it mean? It means that person will get all the 3 chocolates in the same way as 3 divided by 1 means all 3 things will be given to one person. Thus, 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Now see the second property. When a number is divided by itself, we get 1. 3 divided by 3 means 3 things to be equally shared among 3 persons. So each will get 1 thing. Thus 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. See, for example, I have 3 chocolates. This is 1, this is 2 and this one is 3. If I will give 3 chocolates, I will distribute all these 3 chocolates among 3 persons. What will happen? I have to give 1 chocolate to 1 person. This second chocolate to second person, and this chocolate will be given to third person. What does it mean? It means each person will get 1 chocolate. Okay? In the same way as I have told you, 3 divided by 3 means 3 things to be equally shared among 3 persons. So each will get 1 thing. If 3 things will be distributed among 3 persons, what will happen? Each person will get 1 thing if it will be distributed equally. Now see property number 3. 0 divided by any number gives 0. 0 divided by 3 means nothing is to be shared among 3. If there is nothing and if we will divide nothing among some people, what will happen? Those people will not get anything, because 0 divided by, for example, I am telling you here 3. 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0, because there is nothing to be distributed. So we cannot distribute anything to any person. Next is number 4. Division by 0 is meaningless. For example, 5 is there. 5 divided by 0 is meaningless. If there are 5 things and if we will distribute 5 things among nobody will be there, then what will happen? This statement will be meaningless. Now children, we will study multiplication and division facts. Okay? See here. 3 into 2, how much? 6. It means 3 times 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. Okay, now see here. It means 6 minus 2 this way also. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. We can show this statement in this picture also. There are 3 groups. 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. In each group, how many objects? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Total number of objects 6. In each group, number of objects are 2 and number of groups are 3. We can show this here also in this way. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. It means 2 times 3 equals to 6. How we will write? 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Okay? We can show it in this way also here. 6 minus 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Children, which means 6 divided by 3 equals 2. See this diagram. How many groups are there? 2 groups are there. And how many objects in each group? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and total number of objects 6. Okay? Now come here. Children, 3 into 2. 3 into 2 equals 6 or 2 into 3 equals 6. Will give 6 divided by 2 equals 3 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. It means each multiplication multiplication, each multiplication fact has, each multiplication fact will give 2 division